As with visible light printing, there are several standard ways of authenticating a document with UV ink. Some are designed specially to detect fraud. Others are more effective against forgery. Below are examples of the more common methods of UV check verification. The security check is invisible to the human eye and cannot be reproduced by a copier or other printer. UV protection is a method with a logo or a pattern on the check. A logo is printed across sensitive areas of the check or in specified locations. It provides similar protection to a UV background against alterations, makes outright forgeries difficult, though not impossible. The next method is to put a UV background behind the fields. UV picture of the check. Check was manipulated. Instead, the UV background shows a dark shadow. UV ink had been removed. With this method, any attempt to remove the original data and replace it with a fraudulent data will show up as an unexpected dark shadow in the UV image. The binarized picture finally proves the manipulation on the check. The UV patterns should appear white. Another method is to print the serial number of the check in UV ink. This allows the software to use UCR to read the UV number and match it to the serial number read from the MICR code line. A further security feature is to use an infrared ink, which makes patterns or logos disappear on the check. Magnetic ink character recognition is a method of printing with magnetic ink and special typefaces to create documents that can be read and processed by machines. With microholes, it is possible to verify the check, and thereby the microholes are recognized from the back camera. The holes appear as blue points and they are mirrored. It is not necessary to test the checks manually.